Welcome back to South Monroe 14. This is the part 2 of huge flooding in my town today. And I'm at a different park. And we're looking around and stuff. It is very insane here too. The other park was insane too. This is very insane. If you look at that building over there, you can walk there, and there's jet boats and stuff, and it's flooded where you can walk. It is very insane. We're walking more down the river. That's the support of the bridge, or the supports of the bridge. Oh, shit. It is very sloppy where we're walking because it was raining all night last night. A few minutes ago, I saw a sports ball. I'm pretty sure it's a volleyball that was floating down the river. This is one of the biggest floods I've ever seen in my life. There was one around a month or two ago, around 2 months ago, that wasn't around the same as this one. But that one I saw 2 sports balls. I've never seen 2 big floods so close together.
There's a lot of snow in the mountains.
Yeah. My dad just said there's a lot of snow in the mountains that are melting. Like the snow in the mountains are melting. Oh my gosh. There's some debris in a tree floating down the river.
I think it's a pool noodle. Or maybe a tire.
And I see a tire. It's floating down the river. And I see a pool noodle. I'm pretty sure. That white thing might be a pool noodle.
Because they can get all the worms and stuff.
Yeah. And once me and my mom were at that building I was talking to you guys about, that was flooded. We were there the last flood, and it literally, there was a tree that was 50 feet tall or long, and it was insane. There's a bunch of debris going down the river right now. In last flood, we saw a bunch of debris, more than this flood. And my friend's mom sent some pictures to my mom that showed their backyard, and their backyard was flooded. And then one of my mom's friends sent pictures or posted pictures on Facebook of their backyard. This is very insane. So we might go back. We're probably gonna go to another park, and that will be part 3. And so I'll see you guys on part 3.